Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google search bar page when you open Chrome application. So first of all, just open the Chrome application here. Now if I tap on this search bar, you will find all my recent searches here. So now what you have to do is you just have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then tap on this settings. When you are here, you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this advanced option. In advanced, tap on this home page and now you can see this option, it's off. You have to toggle this on like this. Tap on this second option and now you can simply type here http let's say I'm going for this www.webifan.com and now just go back, close your Chrome application, open it again and you will find your Google search bar page is gone now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.